Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logouts on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Stumble Guys and you will click in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.